Welcome to part 2 of Winter Storm Jonas. The snow is right now it's already about going to possible a foot of snow. And as you can see, it is a lot of snow. Even though you don't see it really good on my camera, I'm going to show you what it really, truly really looks like. See, all that snow is coming down. Look. Look at that. Hear those winds? Oh crap. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that house. That house is, well, it's not a house, it's a building. My apologies. Look at the winds. Well, I'll tell you about look at that. Look at that. Winds are getting stronger as we go to the morning. It's already a blizzard condition. Oh. Wow. Wow, my whole camera literally got wet. My whole camera literally got wet from the storm. Jesus Christ. Look at those winds. I hear some howling wind. Wow. It's even worse. Here it comes. People, here it comes. Here it comes. And I'm going to tell you something right now. This storm is a superstorm. It is known to be truly a superstorm. Wow. Wow. I can't even record because it's getting white. See that? Everyone, what I hear is some howling winds. I go like, it's bad. As I was saying about that window, look at that window. And I'm sorry that I said a house. I said that wrong. But as you can see, look at this window. This window is completely slammed hard. Look at this. Look at this. Excuse me. Look at this. There's ice already. Jacksonville is already a term 4 category cold front because of this storm. Because of this storm. Look. It is getting even worse and worse and worse. As you can see, it is getting worse. The snow is getting intensity. A blizzard warning is still issued. We are having a blizzard this morning, right now. Look at this snow. This, I already measured it. This is about 3.5 inch of snow right here. 3.5 inch of snow. As you can see, that is 3.5 inches of snow. And it's really bad. Look at all the snow coming down. Look at all that snow coming down. Wow. Look at the windows. The windows are completely subdued by the storm. And look at this. White. Everything. White. White, white, white. Look at the snow. That is a lot of snow falling now. A lot. This is a bad snowstorm. And there's near zero visibilities right now. Near zero visibilities. Look at all that snow coming down right now. Look at all that. There. Look at that snow. All this snow. Let me focus the camera. Look at all that snow. This is a lot of wet snow, and I'm gonna close the window now. Jesus. Now let me show you something else. This is right now. It's 71.9 degrees, and in our area, it's Saturday, January 23rd, 2016. The moon is gonna be a full moon. So we're gonna have a superstorm, winter storm, to be exact, because of the winds. The winds are making it worse. History. The pressure is about 100, it's 107 HPS. The history of the HPA for the maximum is about a quarter 5.9 over negative 12 negative 6. See the history, and right there you see this, you see that snowflake with that exclamation point? That means there's a warning. Humidity is 82, which is bad. So it's 82% of humidity, which means that there's gonna be more snow. That's a lot of snow coming down. So it's gonna be a lot of snow. It's gonna be just terrible, terrible snow. And that pressure is not good at all. That's low pressure. As you can see, look at all that snow. That snow really pounded the windows. Look at here. Ice. Ice. Terrible. Look at that. A lot of snow. And it's terrible. Look at, that's just only that. That's just only that. It's sweating, which means it's gonna be mold. That, because of the structure of this building, is not good at all. And it's really bad. It's very, 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 very bad. Hope you guys liked this video. This was my second video, part 2, and peace out.